channel.
It's plain yogurt. Plain yogurt. It mixes a plain yogurt to it.
My whole life has been building up to this moment.
That is so extra for you guys.
I'm so happy.
Shop Indiana.
Can you see those?
Shameless.
Hashtag. There's no need for that shameless. Everything is shameless. So just take long. It's okay.
Because I don't know what time you're watching this, but anyways, I am at the Yogurberry. It's not the anything, it's just Yogurberry. My Yogurberry right now. It's about to rain, but I'm outside here trying to do this vlog quickly. This is a collaboration with Ummeeta, who isn't here right now because we just decided to do this impromptu. She's going to get her tripod for us to vlog. We're doing a menu raid today at Yogurberry. So basically we're going to try everything. And that's Kachi. Hi Kachi.
Hi.
Did you literally just come here to do that?
Yes, I did. Hi.
Okay. Yeah, so we're doing a menu raid. We're going to try different things on Yogurberry's menu and tell you guys which ones are fave and kind of like advise you guys on what not to get when you come here or what to get when you come here. But yeah, this should be fun. Trying a lot of yogurts. See you guys. So it's happening at a Blogger Taster. And that's Alma. You guys already know Bella because I kept mentioning her in my last vlog. This is Kachi.
Hey.
So I'm gonna get my yogurt parfait now. Okay, so my first yogurt of choice, the yogurt parfait, right? Did I pronounce it right?
Yeah, parfait.
Parfait.
Fancy and parfait.
This cost 1,500 naira. I think it's good value for money in terms of what it looks like. I'm going to taste it and let you guys know what I think. Guys, so Ummeeta's here.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Ummeeta, I'm Demi's friend. So yeah, we're going to record a video about making the menu for that kind of thing.
So this is the Easter swirl.
My next vlog just get
It melted and
that Ummeeta's having. She's kind of started on it. Anyway.
yeah, but it's pretty.
What flavors are there?
I think it has the frozen tart and blueberry.
Okay. So frozen tart, blueberry, and
Gummy bears.
gummy bears. Okay, I'm still on my parfait though. It's a lot, honestly, guys. It's a lot. It's nice because like when it starts to melt, then it's like yogurt with loads of stuff inside, which is quite nice. The mixing, guys. Umi's having
Brownies and coconut chips, which is a mixture of this one and this one. And Demi is having the Yogurberry special.
yes, she's having hers as rolls, and I'm having mine as a scoop. The rolls are new, actually. It's not part of their menu proper yet.
Yeah, but
yeah, hopefully by the time this video is live, it will be. Actually, I think you said
for Easter. And the other one is for.
the other one is regular. Luxury yogurt, normal.
It's
They do the scoops regular. Okay, we're going to watch. What's your name, sir? He doesn't want to be on my channel. This is James, guys. how slow, so much precision going into this thing. And that is the final result. What syrup do you want to mix it? So this is what the regular roll looks like compared to those ones. These are the ones they have right now. These are the ones coming soon. I had the Yogurberry special, which is cookies and coconut. First scoop I had, I loved it. What do you think?
Okay, so I'm having the mixing. I have brownies and coconut shavings in it, and I feel like it's amazing.
I feel like coconut just makes everything taste.
Hi guys, so we met Lola guys. Oh my god, guys. We're like starstruck right now. Cause literally I've watched that girl so many times.
Like guys, me too, like more than 5 times, guys.
Really? I hope you liked it.
Yes, I do.
Every time.
Should we try the waffles?
Okay, yeah, waffle.
There's plain and there's regular ones.
How are the waffles served? Or what?
It's different options. Like for what you can get. So you can get plain waffle, you can
Okay,
get
the plain waffle is like a plain waffle, like a naked waffle.
Yes.
Last thing we're having because we're just too full right now.
So we opted for the very, very tiniest waffle.
So we're
Well, they don't have it, guys. We opted for it, so,
Okay, so
they made it specially
we
for
got a
us.
half of a half.
It's like a quarter liter.
Yeah. Okay. What's the options now?
She wants caramel pearls.
I think I'll have chocolate. Let me try your chocolate syrup. So do the waffles always come with fruit?
Syrup.
Okay, waffles and syrup. Can you get fruits extra or anything?
Yeah, you get extra for 200
Each. Okie dokie. Final thing for today, the waffle with the fruits.
I feel like I'm going to put my yogurt like on top of the waffle.
I think that would be nice.
Then I'll have like this super cool tiny one.
She put her yogurt by her waffle. What did you get? Grapes and
Kiwi with caramel syrup.
Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you to Yogurberry Management for having us.
Yogurberry.
Thank you.
Stuff, and we're going to like include the review like after this clip, and you guys can have an idea of what you think.
Yeah.
About this stuff.
Yeah, so we'll give you guys our individual ratings on our own channel. So if you want to know what we like, check out her channel to find out what her favorite was.
Here and watch the full video.
Yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye.
Okay, so I've been going to Yogurberry for a long time, but I was so glad I went for this menu raid because I got to try different things from the menu, and my fave of all the things I tried out was the yogurt parfait. Now, first of all, I think the price is quite good for what you get. 1,500 naira for this cup is definitely worth it, and I think it's perfect for when you go out with friends, because from the beginning to the end of having this cup of yogurt, the experience is actually quite nice. You know, when you're out with friends, you start talking and then you begin to worry about your yogurt melting, but with this one there's no worry for that, because even when it's melted it's still nice. So I give it a 5 out of 5. Next thing that I loved was the mixing. Honestly, I think this is a family fave now, and we were quite sad after this video. We were quite sad that we only discovered it after I went to Yogurberry. As you can see, I cleared the cup, and that's because it gives you the satisfaction of having ice cream, like that ice cream kind of feel, without all the fat and all the calories that come with having ice cream. I personally also think that when the rolls do become part of the menu, it is going to be a hit because it just looks so nice, and who doesn't like food that looks nice? So personally, I love the mixing. The only thing I had to say was about this is I think the toppings that they mix in kind of overpower the yogurt, but other than that it was quite good, so I'll give it a 4 out of 5. Now the last thing, of course, is the waffle, and if I'm honest, I actually did not enjoy the waffle, but then again, it's Yogurberry and not like a waffle specialist place. Firstly, I felt the waffle was quite dry, and it was also served cold, which isn't the best for waffles. And then you don't actually get any extra topping apart from the syrup. If you want extra toppings, you have to pay, which I personally don't think is great value for money. Like, I want a waffle with toppings, so why don't you just offer it to me at once? So yeah, I didn't really like the waffle. Hopefully they improve on that. So for that, I'm just going to give it a 1.5 out of 5. Other than that, I feel for all things froyo, Yogurberry is really doing a great job, and everything on their froyo menu is amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this menu raid, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.